Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fan Cave. It's 3:37 a.m., January 31st, 2017. What I have today is a recent habitat find, Casablanca Lady Delta. I picked up this fan. It had, as you can tell, one of the blades, actually two of the blades, it's a 5-blader, but two of the blade brackets are severely bent out of shape. Tried to bend this one here back, and it actually snapped. So this is officially a 4-blade fan now. And on top of that, one of the blades, I don't know why they do this, but they use duct tape and they tape the bag of screws and various parts to the blade. They kept the fan completely intact and they taped it to the blades. You can see there's a big strip of tape where some paint's missing there. So that's going in the parts pile. But yeah, this one of the blades is severely out of alignment, so not sure if I'm just going to use it as a 2-blader or what, but it does work and it moves a ton of air. So yeah, let's take it for a spin. Set up the anemometer here. And on low, it doesn't even register. It's still telling me it's 0.0. So let's turn it to medium, see what it does. Stay still. I'm getting 3.5 miles per hour. Yep, steady 3.5. Hang on fast. .8 miles per hour. Now it's 5. It actually is going 5 miles an hour. If you don't believe me, here's the anemometer, and this thing's pretty cool. It has a little fan on the back. This fan seems pretty original. You can tags there. It doesn't say that it doesn't specify that it's a Lady Delta, but we all know what it is. Has the original pull chain. And the spin down from fast. It shouldn't take too long. The flywheel was pretty sticky. Looks like it probably sat around a long time and never got used. And then when it finally, I don't know if they changed designs or what, but looks like it got kind of beaten up at the, either in transit or at the habitat itself. I got it. It was stuck between, there were two parallel boards, and it was kind of perched between them. Just kind of plunked there. Blades fully intact. The entire fan hadn't been disassembled at all. So it looks like someone just kind of arbitrarily threw it down there. But let's try it on reverse. And like all my fans, this one in particular is, and most of my fans anyway, this one is for sale or trade. Looking for New-Tone Veranda Deluxes, Dayton Lascos, Gold Lines, Blender fans, or any really cool industrials, DEMC, the Commander Electric industrials, New-Tone Pro lines, the old, the first generation, pretty much any cool old industrial I'm interested in, for sale or trade, or, if there's a trade with cash on one end or another. I'd also like to take this time to thank you folks for visiting the Fan Cave YouTube page. Check out my Facebook page of the same name, and if you could please click like on this and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck. We're gonna need it.